Hey, what's up everybody? This is Knucklehead with Knucklehead Hockey, and man oh man, today is going to be an exciting day. I have one of these, the 26 card fat packs of the Upper Deck hockey cards, and I also have one of these boxes here. These are the ones with the 6 packs inside and 8 cards per pack. And to make it more interesting, I have a 10. And I'm going to save this one for last. But I'm going to open up them actually in order. I'm going to open up the 26 card pack first. As you can see here, these are very tough to open. Okay. You all ready for this? Ryan Ellis, Tuukka Rask, Jeff Carter, Dylan Dubé, Sean Couturier, Jacob Chikrin, Carter Hutton, Neil Pionk, Jordan Eberle, Erik Karlsson, Philip Hronek, Jonathan Marchessault, Duncan Keith, Rasmus Ristolainen, Noel Acciari, Kevin Hayes, Connor McDavid, Philip Deneau, Semyon Varlamov, Jordan Binnington, Brandon Carlo, a checklist card, Tanner Pearson, Zach Parise, Gino, and Dougie Hamilton. Look at that jersey. That's what I want to get for my collection one day. Okay, now that the 26 card pack is now over and done with, it's time to move on to the box. Take the packaging off. Open the box so you can have a look at what's inside. So you get the 6 packs here. And you get the Giant Young Guns rookie card. And it is Liam Foudy. These are cool. I should try to find more of these actually. Okay. On to pack number 1. Jason Zucker, Jonathan Bernier, William Karlsson, Alex DeBrincat, Canvas card, Anze Kopitar, different one. I might have that one already, but still, it's a canvas card. Gotta love the canvas cards. Drew Doughty, Noah Hannafin, and Carter Hurt. All right, time for pack number 2. Okay, here we go. Brady Shea, Oscar Clefbaum, Ricard Raquel, and a Young Guns card. Martin Kaut of the Colorado Avalanche. Neat. Well, we got a Young Guns card at least. Christian Dvorak, Jean-Gabriel Pageau, Nikita Zaitsev, and Lars Eller. Well, we got a Young Guns card in there, and it's not Lafreniere, obviously, but still, it's a Young Guns card. All right, now we're on to pack number 3. Montreal Canadiens captain Shea Weber, Sergei Bobrovsky, JT Compher. Well, this is interesting. A Rasmus Dahlin Dazzlers card, and right behind it is a Jack Hughes UD Portraits card. Huh, interesting. That's really cool. I haven't done that before. 2 special cards in a row in one pack. Morgan Riley, Frank Vetrano, and Nate Schmidt. All right, pack number 4. Here we go. Phil the Thrill Kessel, Tomas Hertl, Ryan Ellis, Tuukka Rask, Alex Goligoski, Zach Kassian, Kirby Dach, and Yanni Gord. Okay. Pack number 5. Jeff Carter, Dylan Dubé, Sean Couturier, here come the repeats, Jacob Chychrun, Colin Miller, Captain Serious Jonathan Toews. I don't believe I pulled Jonathan Toews in the video yet. Artemi Panarin, and doing that awesome leg kick celebration. How awesome is that? And Justin Advocator. All right, on to the very last pack from the 6-pack box. And then, time to move on to the tin. Okay, we've got Brock Nelson here, Colin White, Nick Dowd, William Nylander, another Shane Bowers Young Guns card, I pulled him before. Ah, that's 2 Colorado Avalanche Young Guns card. Cool. Steven Stamkos. Patrick Hornfist. And Ilya Samsonov. Well now, that is the end of that box. And some interesting pulls in there for sure. But now it's time to move on to the tin. Put that over there. Got the tin right here. Oh, I just love that. Don't you love that sound? Opening up the tin. As you can see, that's what it looks like on the inside. So in here, it's got 9 packs of these ones. But then they come, the tins come with these OPG cards. And they're the glossy rookie cards. And those are pretty interesting, I must admit. We'll start off with the Upper Deck cards first, and then we'll get to the OPG ones. Struggle. And once again, Sean Couturier makes his appearance. The repeats are going to be coming. Jacob Chikrin, Brock Nelson, Colin White, Jeff Petrie, Josh Manson, Carter Hutton, and Neil Pionk. Okay. Isn't that satisfying? Oscar Klefbom, Ricard Raquel, Shea Weber. Oh, okay, we got something different here. A canvas Young Guns card, Mikey Anderson of the Los Angeles Kings. That's entirely something different. I haven't pulled a Young Guns canvas card yet, so that's definitely cool. Another Patrick Hornfist card, another Samsonov card, Kyle Palmieri card, and JT Miller. Okay, another card I don't have yet. All right, here we have Sergei Bobrovsky, JT Compher, Phil Kessel, Tomas Hertl, and a Young Guns Alexander True of the San Jose Sharks. Huh. That's another one I don't have yet. Interesting. Mika Zibanejad, Alexander Radulov, and Blake Lizotte. I tell you, these packs they could be a real pain to open sometimes. Okay, here we go. Ryan Ellis, Tuukka Rask, Jeff Carter, Dylan Dubé, a UD Portraits Max Pacioretty card, sweet, Anders Lee, Alexander Wenberg, and Martin Necas. Okay, now for this time I'm going to open up the OPC pack. We have Tyler Benson, and I was mistaken. He has played an NHL game already, so I apologize for that mistake. But yeah, Tyler Benson. Jason Robertson of the Dallas Stars, and Liam Foudy. I've got like 3 rookie cards of him. All right, we're on to the very last final packs. I got 5 left. Nick Dowd, William Nylander, Keith Yandel, Alec Martinez, Jordan Eberle, Erik Karlsson, Philip Roenick, and Jonathan Marchessault. All right, here we go. Connor Garland, Philip Zadina, Teuvo Teravainen, a Young Guns, Timothy Liljegren of the Toronto Maple Leafs. That's another one I don't have. Cool. Duncan Keith, Vincent Trocheck, Jacob Silverberg, and Mikko Koskinen. I guess this is one of the easiest ways to open up your card pack. The UC Saros card, and just like Matt Duchene, he was in a practice jersey. This time Saros, I guess he's in the breast cancer jersey, and that actually looks pretty cool. Actually, I don't think I've pulled UC Saros yet. A John Tavares card. There's a guy I haven't seen yet. JT, awesome. John Gibson. I'll straighten him out there for you. Another canvas card. Chris Kreider of the New York Rangers. Awesome. I love these canvas cards. Matt Duchene in that Predators practice jersey. Aaron Ekblad of the Florida Panthers. Jonas Donskoy. And Darcy Kemper. All right, here we go. David Perron. Mark Scheifele, Evander Kane, Igor Shesterkin, a Dazzlers Austin Matthews card. Now that's sick. Martin Jones, Philip Forsberg, and Rasmus Dahlin. Alrighty, we're on to the very last pack for today. John Moore of the Boston Bruins. That's another guy I haven't seen yet. Brock Besser of the Vancouver Canucks. One of my favorite players on that team. Alex Tuck. A Udi Portraits of Tyler Benson. Drew Doughty. Carter Hart. Noah Hannafin. And Christian Dvorak. Well, unfortunately, the hunt for Alexis Lafreniere is still going to have to continue. But I got some really cool cards today. I'm really happy about that. So we got the portraits of Benson. The Matthews Dazzlers card, and that's really sick. The Kreider card. Timothy Liljegren, Max Pacioretty, Alexander True, the Mikey Anderson card, Shane Bowers, Jack Hughes, Rasmus Dahlin, Martin Kaut, and Anze Kopitar. Well, that was very exciting, and yeah, I love opening hockey cards. It's a lot of fun. It's not just for the enjoyment and trying to get Alexis Lafreniere. It's just for the excitement, and I really enjoy it. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. If you like this kind of content, please feel free to like and subscribe, and check out my channel. The link's down below, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Knucklehead with Knucklehead Hockey. And have a good day, and I'll see you guys soon.